Are you tired of mangling your beautiful holiday roasts into jagged, uneven chunks instead of serving picture-perfect slices? Today, we are putting an end to the madness by finding the absolute best carving knife that will glide through meat like butter. I have spent the last few weeks slicing, carving, and serving up mountains of meat to test these top contenders side by side in real-world conditions. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which knife deserves a permanent spot on your cutting board. And you might be shocked to see why our number one pick completely dethroned some of the most expensive legacy brands on the market. 5. Bright Hobby SK-001. This is a knife that definitely caught my eye initially due to its incredibly accessible price point. When you first pull this slicing knife out of the box, it certainly looks the part, featuring a sleek, shiny profile that suggests it is ready to tackle a weekend roast. I was genuinely curious and wanted to see if a budget-friendly option could truly stand up to the rigorous, repetitive demands of slicing through dense proteins without failing. The blade itself offers a decent length for everyday tasks and features those classic dimples along the edge, known as a Granton edge, which are specifically designed to prevent meat from sticking to the steel. During my initial tests on a warm glazed ham, the dimples did their job reasonably well, allowing the slices to fall away without tearing the delicate meat. However, as I moved on to a tougher, crustier brisket, I noticed that the steel felt noticeably thinner and weaker than I would prefer, lacking the sturdy backbone required for clean, straight, and authoritative cuts. The handle design attempts to offer an ergonomic grip, utilizing a synthetic material that feels smooth to the touch right out of the package. While it rests okay in the hand initially, I found that once my fingers got even slightly greasy from carving a juicy turkey, the grip became surprisingly slippery and hard to manage. This lack of traction forced me to grip the handle much tighter than usual, which quickly led to frustrating hand fatigue during longer carving sessions. Another significant factor I experienced during testing was the poor edge retention of the blade. Out of the box, it sliced through the first few cuts of beef with relative ease, but the factory edge deteriorated much faster than I ever anticipated. Four, Cutluxe ART-SLC-12-1. This 12-inch slicing and carving knife arrives in a beautiful premium box and immediately feels like a serious professional piece of kitchen cutlery. I was eager to put its high-carbon steel to the test, fully expecting a massive leap in performance and precision based on its sturdy appearance. The 12-inch length is genuinely fantastic, giving you the ability to make long, continuous, sweeping strokes across massive cuts of meat, like a whole prime rib or a large salmon fillet. This sweeping motion is crucial for achieving smooth, restaurant-quality slices without that terrible, jagged sawing look. The Granton edge is deep and effective, and the blade flexes just enough to navigate around bones without feeling flimsy or dangerous. However, where the Cutluxe starts to lose some significant points for me is in its overall balance and weight distribution. The blade is quite heavy toward the tip, which throws off the center of gravity and makes the knife feel somewhat unwieldy and clunky in the hand. You definitely feel the heavy heft of this knife, and while some might appreciate the heavy-duty feel, I found it made delicate, paper-thin slicing more of a cumbersome chore than a joy. The handle is beautifully crafted from Paca-wood, which looks gorgeous on a magnetic block and is triple riveted for long-lasting durability. But the contours of the handle are quite bulky and thick, and it simply didn't seat perfectly or comfortably in my palm. If you have average or smaller hands, you might find yourself wrestling with the handle rather than letting the knife do the work, which again detracts from the smooth carving experience you want at the dinner table. 3. Mercer Culinary M2-0410. Right away, you can feel the utilitarian, no-nonsense philosophy behind this design. It completely skips the flashy packaging and decorative elements, focusing purely on delivering a high-quality, ultra-reliable cutting experience for serious cooks. Forged from premium high-carbon German steel, the blade on this Mercer knife is incredibly impressive, striking the perfect balance between unyielding rigidity and just a hint of forgiving flexibility. When I tested it on a beautifully smoked turkey breast, the blade glided through the meat with astonishing ease, leaving behind perfectly smooth textures without any tearing or shredding. The edge retention is truly phenomenal, holding its razor-sharp factory edge through multiple carving sessions without needing a single pass on the honing steel. The handle is where this knife truly shines, featuring a specialized Santoprene construction that is uniquely soft to the touch and incredibly grippy. This is a massive advantage for anyone who struggles with hand strength or joint pain, as the brilliant ergonomic design allows you to maintain total control without having to squeeze the handle tightly. Even when my hands were covered in savory roast juices and slick fats, the knife felt perfectly secure and safely locked into my grip. In terms of balance, the Mercer is exceptionally well calibrated, feeling like a natural, weightless extension of your arm. The bolster provides a comfortable resting spot for a professional pinch grip, allowing you to guide the blade with pinpoint accuracy. Whether I was carving thick, hearty slabs of holiday ham or shaving down delicate, translucent ribbons of prosciutto, the knife responded beautifully to every subtle movement. The Mercer Culinary M20410 is an absolute powerhouse that wisely prioritizes function, safety, and comfort over everything else. 2. SHAN SZU-SZ-2024-011-1. Unboxing this knife is a premium experience in itself, revealing a meticulously crafted blade that genuinely looks like a modern piece of art. I was incredibly excited to see if its real-world performance could possibly match its stunning, eye-catching appearance. The blade is forged from exceptionally premium stainless steel and features a beautifully polished finish that not only looks great, but also minimizes cutting friction. When I took this knife to a massive, heavily barked beef brisket, it performed like an absolute dream. The blade easily pierced the tough, peppery bark and slid through the tender, rendered meat beneath with zero resistance, allowing me to create uniform, pencil-thick slices with incredible, repeatable consistency. What truly sets the SHAN ZU apart from the pack is the exceptional geometry of the blade profile. It is perfectly tapered from spine to edge, ensuring that every single slice falls away cleanly without clinging to the side of the knife. This level of precision is exactly what you need when you are trying to impress guests with beautifully plated, professional-looking dishes. The edge is screaming sharp, straight from the manufacturer, and requires very little maintenance to keep it performing at a remarkably high level. The handle design is a masterclass in ergonomic engineering, utilizing a premium material that feels remarkably solid, warm, and perfectly contoured to the human hand. The weight distribution is dead center, providing an incredibly nimble, agile feel that completely eliminates wrist fatigue and forearm strain. You can comfortably carve a massive holiday feast for 20 people, and your hand will feel as fresh at the end as it did when you made the very first cut. The SHAN ZU SZ-CS-2024-011-1 is a spectacular carving knife that offers an unbeatable combination of razor-sharp precision, elegant design, and superb balance. 1. HOSHANHO Carving Slicing Knife. From the exact moment I picked up this 12-inch masterpiece, I knew it was something entirely special. It represents the absolute pinnacle of slicing perfection, combining premium materials, flawless craftsmanship, and an intelligent design that aggressively outperforms every other knife I have ever tested. The generous 12-inch blade is an absolute beast, providing the ultimate uncompromised reach needed for massive briskets, huge watermelons, and the absolute largest Thanksgiving turkeys you can find. Despite its impressive sweeping size, the high carbon steel blade feels incredibly lively and highly responsive in the hand. When I tested it on a beautifully roasted, crusty prime rib, it moved through the meat with surgical precision, requiring nothing more than the natural weight of the knife itself to make the perfect cut. The edge on the HOSHANHO is aggressively sharp and holds that terrifyingly keen edge far longer than any of its competitors on the market. The dimpled Granton edge is deeply grooved, which creates perfectly formed air pockets that guarantee absolutely zero sticking, even with the most delicate and exceptionally moist proteins. Every single slice I made came off the cutting board looking like it was prepared by a seasoned Michelin star chef, with a flawlessly smooth surface and perfectly retained juices. Beyond the exceptional blade, the handle is an absolute triumph of ergonomic design, masterfully sculpted to lock naturally and effortlessly into the contours of your hand. It features a stunning, highly durable material that provides a rock-solid, unwavering grip regardless of the wet or greasy conditions in your kitchen. The balance is so perfectly tuned that the entire knife feels practically weightless during use, giving you absolute, confident control over every microscopic slicing movement.